Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix PayPal integration with WooCommerce. This issue usually happens if your PayPal account isn't set up correctly, if plugin settings are wrong, or if your account has verification problems. First, make sure you have a PayPal business account because WooCommerce requires it for processing payments. If you're using a personal account, upgrade it before reconnecting. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard, open WooCommerce settings, and check the Payments tab. If PayPal is enabled but not working, disconnect it and reconnect by logging in with your PayPal credentials. Be sure to enter the correct API credentials or use PayPal's official plugin for WooCommerce, as outdated plugins often cause errors. Also, verify that your PayPal account is fully set up with an active bank and card linked, and check the Resolution Center for any restrictions. If payments are failing, clear your site and browser cache or test the checkout in sandbox mode to see if the issue is technical. And if it still doesn't work, reach out to WooCommerce or PayPal support for assistance. And that's it. That's how you fix PayPal integration with WooCommerce. Subscribe the channel for more videos.